What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we are looking at this 2020 GMC 2500 that we just got done lifting and out of these new wheels and tires too. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted or figure out what wheels and tires to put on it, you should take a look at the options that we have here. To get started, I'm going over the lift kit, which is going to be a 3-inch rough country suspension lift. And with this lift kit, you do have two options to go with. You can go with the base kit, which is going to be with the premium N3 shocks, which is a good option, but you can also upgrade to the Vertex coilovers, which is going to give you the best ride quality for your vehicle. With this wheel and tire package and the lift, you do have to do some trimming on this plastic piece, just so that there isn't any rubbing when you do a full turn. With this tire, it's going to be a 35-1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, and this one's going to be a mix between the mud-terrain and all-terrain tires, so it's going to have the best of both worlds, giving it a nice aggressive look with a a more aggressive sidewall, that thicker tread, and give you some of the off-road capabilities, but it's also going to give you the nice on-road experience with a quieter ride and a longer tread life. You do have a couple other options for a hybrid tire that we recommend, which is also going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler and the Toyo Open Country AT3. Down here we have a 22x12 TIS 544, and this one's going to be the gloss black and milled. This one does come in two other finishes, which is going to be the gloss black and machine face. Actually, I think it comes in 4 finishes, and the chrome finish as well as the all gloss black finish. So there's going to be several different finishes and a lot of different sizes for this wheel. So if you guys are interested in seeing what some of those other options will be, you should take a look at that. This one's going to have a nice directional split spoke design to it with open lugs. So if you guys are looking to run some spike lug nuts, this wheel does have that as a feature. Also, the other thing is that this one does have that deep dish look, so it's going to have about a 5.5 inch lip on this wheel, which is going to help you make it really stand out and also push that wheel and tire package out, giving it that nice aggressive look. So overall, this is a really good look for this truck, and it could also be a very good look on any other truck that you put it on. This one just goes well with a lot of different vehicles. So if you guys are interested in getting your vehicle lifted, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. But make sure you check out our 0% financing option so you can go ahead and get your truck lifted now and pay later.